Hey, my name is Shafqatullah and my ID is BC150401589. In this tutorial, I'll be talking about the class and object. Class? What class is? A class is a collection of related data and function under a single name. I am having a single name with the class with the keyword, a single name of the rectangle. Then I am having a data member with the name of data1, and then I'm having a function with the name of func1, and I've defined the function with data1 equals to 3. If we're talking about the objects are the instances of the class. You can create as many objects you want. So if I'm having a class with the name rectangle, I'm having a data member, I am having a function under single name. I want to access this class in any other function, so I just have to create an object. So I've created the object. Now I can access all the function, all the data members in this class. But I just have to create an object with a variable and any kind of name. I can use any name I want. So this is, if I want to talk about the second thing, is constructor and destructor. Constructor is nothing more than a function. So here I have created the constructor. It's the same looking like a function. So constructor and there's no many difference between function and constructor. So what is constructor basically? So I have to differentiate between constructor and function. Constructor is called when object is created. Now I have created the object in another function. So constructor will be invoked or constructor will be called. If you're talking about the object, the destructor, so what destructor is? When object is created, when object is get finished his work, then we use the destructor to clean up the memory used by the object. So if you're talking about the third thing is private and public scopes. Public member is accessible anywhere outside of the class but within the program. So I can use the public member because I'm using the constructor within the public member, because I have to access public member outside of the class. So I can use the public member. If you're talking about the private, so private cannot be accessed outside of the class. So private member is accessed, cannot be a variable, cannot be a private member, variable or function cannot be accessed or even viewed outside of the function. Only class or function can access the private member. By default, all members would be private. If I want to access this private member inside the class, then I can use the public or function for friend function. So I have created the public, and then I'm using the properties of the private data members inside the class. Okay, the third thing that I will be talking about the data members and member function. What are the data members? Data member are a variable which are the part of the structure called data members. I have in this class I'm having 4 data members with the name width, height, set underscore values, and area. If you're talking about the member function are the function which have declared inside the class definition and works on the data members of the class. Definition of a function can be defined inside or outside of the class. What does it mean? If I go to this one, I'm having a class with the name cube. Okay, so because I am defining then I'm having an integer with the data member side, and then I'm having a function, and I have defined the function within the class because I have defined the member inside the class. If I want to define the member outside of the class, then what I have to do, I just have to initialize. I have to define the name of the function, and then if I want to define the function outside of the class, then first I have to use the name of the func class, and then scope resolution operator, and then the name of the function. Then I'll be able to define the function. So if I want to call this thing outside of the func class, so what I'm going to do, I have to create the object. I'm accessing this class with the object with the same name of a cube. So that's stuff all about from the member function. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.